Good morning, guys. I look a mess. Like, not even a hot mess, just a mess. I just woke up, and actually I woke up like 2 hours ago. Why did I say I just woke up? I woke up 2 hours ago and laid in bed. But now I felt like I would just vlog. I think I'm just gonna start vlogging random clips every day because I don't do like a ton in a day, but like in 3 days it would be like a vlog. Anyway, you get what I'm saying. But I just got a bunch of packages yesterday because I was gone from Arizona, so I went and picked up a bunch of packages, and I have so much makeup to sort through. So I think I'm most excited about it is the Flower Beauty collection by Drew Barrymore. They sent me all these liquid lipsticks. These are matte liquid lipsticks, and then these are like mix and matte is what they're called, so it's like a matte and a gloss or something like that. And then they also, oh my god, I don't even know if I can get this all out. I think this is gloss. Yeah, this is a bunch of glosses, and then you can't see it because I can't pull it out, but there's lip liners all back there. So yeah, I'm very, very excited about this. I need to sort through all of this because there's no way that all these lip colors can fit on one person. So basically, I'm going to go through all my makeup and see what I want and what I don't want. A lot of times when I get a lot of makeup and a lot of stuff that I'm just like, oh my gosh, I don't need this, I have like this bucket, and I put the makeup that I don't want in the bucket, and then I put it in our sorority chapter room, and I'll just text everybody and be like, there's makeup in a bucket if you guys want to go pick out some lipsticks or something, just because it's like, it's so much. Okay, this is the final result. This is all the stuff I'm going to put in the chapter room just to give away because I have a lot of it. So it's some highlighters, a lot of lipsticks, some skincare, more lipsticks. I just get a lot of lip colors and it's so unnecessary. These are things that I'm saving for future giveaways because I love doing giveaways and I like to keep all the products in here. So I have lipsticks, I have these eye masks, I have a lot of Smashbox like sets in here, so yeah, I'm keeping those. These are things I'm keeping for myself. So this is the whole line that ColourPop just did with Sephora. I love it, like it's so pretty, so I really want to keep this and try it out. I just finished organizing. This is not even organized, but I don't have like containers for each of them yet, but I tried to organize my lipsticks. So I have like all my glosses over here, and then I have the Too Faced ones over here. All the reds are under here. These are red lipsticks. I have like all my matte lipsticks that are all nude under there, and I have all my Kylie Cosmetics underneath it. So yeah, tried to organize those, but I have a lot of these. I have the whole collection of these. I don't know where to put because I don't really have much room, so that's what I'm trying to figure out. Okay guys, so I did my makeup, and I actually have been trying to do my makeup with no foundation, so I'm not wearing any foundation. It's really, really glowy because I wanted my skin to look like natural and stuff like that. I did this a few days ago, and I was like, I actually kind of like it. Like I just did concealer and stuff. I might do a full makeup tutorial on how I did this because I just got all this new makeup yesterday. I'll show you guys. I got all this new makeup from this company. I don't want to pronounce it wrong. Perricone MD. I'm not really sure, but it's like a no makeup look. So everything is like cream. So this is a blush. This is a highlighter. This is a foundation serum, and then these are a few shades. This is mascara, lipstick. This is some concealer and a powder like blur thing. The only thing I used from it today was the bronzer. So it's basically liquid. You like mix it up, and then with my beauty blender, I go in and I just added bronzer there, and then I used a lot of highlighter today, like a mixture of a bunch of other highlighters, and then I did just one brown eyeshadow with highlight, mascara, and then a bold like lip, like glossy lip kind of thing. So I feel like I really like this look. I'm going to take pictures today because I really need to take some. So I'm wearing this from Pretty Little Thing, and I'm wearing this skirt, but I'm bringing two outfits because I need a lot more pictures. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today so far. We got some food after we took some Instagram pictures. Lou is hard at work over here on Bailey's picture. She's been editing Bailey's picture for like a good 30 minutes. Exactly. So that's a real friend right there. I'm picking some pics. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm home now. I took my contacts out, I washed my face. Obviously you can tell because I look ratchet, but I just did one of those Biore pore strips on my nose, and this is so gross, but my favorite thing ever is to take the strip. I literally shine my flashlight on it so that I could see what comes off. Like, if you guys have never done one of these, You have to. It's so cool. It takes everything out of your pores so that they're nice and clean. I do this before I go to bed. Obviously, I wouldn't do this when I'm going to put makeup on, but I feel like this is a very weird hobby. Good morning, guys. So I didn't really do much yesterday. I'm not really doing anything really today. I just don't have a lot of plans because school hasn't really started. I start tomorrow, so I'm just kind of like waiting on everyone to get back. Mainly, I'm just waiting on Kelsey to get back. She lands later tonight, but right now I need to go get a backpack because I couldn't find one the other day, and I just really need one for school, so I'm gonna go back to Target and get a backpack or something. I'm dressed, I'm wearing this little top from Zara, and I do my makeup and stuff, so yeah, I'm gonna run a few errands, and I think I'm gonna see Nat later, so yeah. I went to Target, and I didn't vlog because I was uncomfortable in the store. Everyone was looking at me because I realized a lot of people stare when you have purple hair and when you're wearing a shirt that has flames over your boobs. So a lot of people were looking at me and I just didn't want to whip out my camera, but I did find a backpack, so. So this is the hideous backpack that I got. It's just gray and black. I really just wanted a black JanSport one, but they didn't have anything there. I didn't want to order it because I have school tomorrow, so I just got this ugly one. And then I bought this. This is the Clean and Clear Persa Gel 10, I don't know, it's maximum strength. It's for acne, so you put this on acne spots, and I used this the other day because my sister had it at her house, and it is so good, guys. I've been breaking out so much. I had a huge pimple. It's right here, you can see it, and it's gone down so much. Can we just talk about the amount of stuff I have to recycle from being home for one day? Like, this is me unpacking all my boxes. It's just one day.
Why is he listening? Sit. You just gotta grab them hard and be firm with them. I don't like. And then she's like, to the cameras. Lisa wanted out from dancing.
Okay, guys, I've changed. I've been watching Beverly Hills, Real Housewives. I changed into this because I'm about to go meet Nat, and we're gonna take some pictures because my days consist of taking Instagram pictures. When I don't have school, that's what I'm doing. So guys, my vlog camera died literally on my way with Nat. I promise I'm not a terrible person. I just don't understand because I just changed the battery out, but I guess I changed the battery out with a dead battery, so yeah, that wasn't smart. But I'm back home now, so I'm about to take my makeup off. It is currently 7:35 at night. I know, such a wild night out, but I actually start school tomorrow, which I'm so nervous about. I don't know why, I'm just really nervous. Hey guys, so I put a face mask on. Also, I know my shirt's really weird. It's a Travis Scott t-shirt and I bought it like around Halloween time, so that's why it's like a chainsaw. Just ignore that. I really wanted to put some whitening strips in as well because I took some pictures today and they just were not looking as white as they normally are. So I was like, we need to fix that. So I use Crest white strips, 3D white strips. I literally get comments about my teeth all the time. They're like, oh my god, how do you keep your teeth so white? I do white strips like maybe twice a month at the most, so I don't know why they look white to you guys, but... And you leave these on, I think, for 30 minutes. Yeah, you leave it on for 30 minutes and then you brush your teeth. And you can't like eat or drink anything that has like color in it because it might stain your teeth, so yeah.
Pretty. Hi.
I bring my computer charger.
Some real suitcase goals over here happening. What the heck? What the heck does that do?
It squirts out like, I don't know, but it sings to you too, so. We go play that at night.
It's a whale,
Yeah.
but it's a humidifier.
Yeah, so it like, see this little nozzle guy
Oh yeah.
that comes out of there.
Oh
Anyways,
my god.
Okay guys, well, I'm about to go to sleep. I am very nervous for tomorrow's classes. I'm going to try and vlog as much as I can tomorrow. Obviously, I'm going to try and continue vlogging all the time, so this is just a big combination of different days of my life. But I hope you guys are liking it so far, so yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Oh, good morning. It's 8 a.m. and I just woke up and I made some coffee in my little mug from Urban Outfitters, and I'm putting on some Real Housewives, put me in a good mood, and I'm about to do my makeup and get dressed to go to my first class of the semester.
Hopefully get well and be cooling her up. Like proper
we're human beings. Like, that's what you do.
Guys, good morning. I just paid for parking. Oh, what did I do? I don't know what I just did. I just paid for parking. I'm here with Nat. She's eating lots of nuggets. Wait, did you not get breakfast food? You got...
They don't have breakfast.
What? Oh, because it's like a campus one. That's
really
whack. That's so whack. Anyway, yeah, that's what we're doing. And then we're going to class together. Me and Kelsey are having a gourmet meal. Here we are. Oh my God. Having, is this pork or turkey or what is this? I think it's pork. Pork and potatoes. She got vegetables, but I don't like vegetables, so.
Hey, Don Rose toes, hitting hills where I pose. I start my day slow, silver pajamas when I wake though. Mirror vow to the face though.
You guys always want to see what it's really like being a college student, what I have to go through, what I would do to myself. I just got into a little accident. Yeah, so like this just happened. I went to go pick up some shoes, which I'll show you guys later. And me and this girl literally were reversing at exactly the same time right behind each other, but neither one of us saw each other, so we literally both reversed into each other. So yeah, we exchanged information. So casual Monday, I got into a wreck. Love my life. First day of classes, and I get into an accident. So life's going great. The universe loves me. So now that that part of my life is over, I'm gonna just continue on with the day. So I drove after my class somewhere to get new shoes because I shot with this company, and then they gave me a gift card to their store. They sell like a bunch of really cool shoes. If you live in Phoenix, you should go check them out. They're called Manor Phoenix. I'll link them and put their app, but I got these new Adidas and they're so pretty. They're like blush nude. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with them. I can't wait to wear them. I think I'm gonna wear them tonight to my workout. So I went and picked these up, and then as I was leaving the store, I got into an accident. Honestly, it was both of our faults. Like, we were just both not paying attention.
Mansions. I've been in whips so quick that you lose traction. And made 6-figure transactions. Met a lot of pretty women, aka distraction.
Devin! Tell me how much you missed me. I am your favorite client. What are you eating? Pokey? Tell them how I did. Tell them how I did today. I need to do abs. Oh, do I put my hands on those and slide?
No, your feet. Mountain climbers.
Oh. I made the very poor choice of only eating one meal today, and that was at 11:45. So I started workout at 6. So I honestly just didn't have enough energy, like enough food in my body to do a really good workout, and I felt really, really dizzy, and I thought I was gonna faint because I was seeing a lot of spots everywhere, and I never do that. Like, normally I have like a shake before I go eat, a few hours before, like I'll have a few bars or something, but today I just was like so busy, and I was in classes, I forgot. So I know tomorrow when I come to this workout, I'm gonna be fully stocked. I'm going right now to go get a poke bowl. I'm gonna go get some fish and rice and like protein and stuff, and then go home and drink a shake because that's what I need. So guys, I am home. I'm feeling much better. I ate a big poke bowl and I got a smoothie, and I'm feeling really good. So I'm going to go to sleep, and then I think I'm going to end the vlog here. So I hope you guys are liking it. I'm really trying to vlog a lot more, as you guys can see, but if you guys are liking it, please give it a big thumbs up. And I know you guys were commenting on my last video, like saying you're praying for me and you're wishing me well and hoping I'm better, and I'm doing so much better. If I wasn't doing better, what is that timer for? If I wasn't doing better, I wouldn't be vlogging. I am a lot happier now, and I'm feeling really, really good. So thank you guys so much for your well wishes, and yeah, I will see you guys another time. Bye.